Ay, ay, ay.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Where's your hat?
I don't have hair, so I don't need it.
Anything to do with eggs, I'm actually not too bad at. What's next? I practiced this before, actually. Flipping leaves.
Hurry up, please. We only have 5 minutes left.
How do I know when they're half cooked but not fully cooked? No. I think they're done. Yeah. Oh, I've popped it already. I'm a long way behind here. Ay, ay, ay. Just whisk it, that's all I know. I'm burning my fingers a little bit. Well, I got plenty of time.
Now it's scrambled egg. Okay, let's do it again. Oh my gosh. No, the eggs are overcooked. Would you eat this?
No, because I'm allergic to fish.
No, let's make it again.
Another one.
Another one.
A little bit of oil.
Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Spread over the muffins.
Eggs on.
Eggs on top. Need to speed it up a little bit. That's perfect. Service, please.
Good morning.
Oh, well, good morning.
Classic salmon.
You did a really great job.
I know.
I would advise to stay racing, to be honest.
You think?
Yes.
It's your opinion.